You're alone, driving down a deserted road when something feels off. He saw a shadow, something moving fast on the road. He looked again. Nothing. He tried to ignore it, but the feeling wouldn't go away. The silence took over. Then the sound, taps on the window. He looked. Nothing. But in the rearview mirror, the figure was there. The figure was right behind him. He sped up, his heart racing. He looked back, and there was nothing, just the empty road. But he didn't know. The road wasn't empty. Something was following him. Something was still there, waiting. What do you think happened? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more stories like this, subscribe.